Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to pay CIBC Costco Master Bill. So in order to pay CIBC Costco Master Pay, you'll have to make sure to watch this video till the end. So due to some security concern, I won't be able to show you the procedure, so I'm just gonna instruct you. First thing is you have to go and log in into your CIBC account. When you're logged into your account, then tap the tab bar icon on the menu bar from the top left hand side and go to bill payment. When you see bill payment, then go and select add PE, and after that search for the CIBC Mastercard or Mastercard CIBC, and then you can go and select Mastercard CIBC from the list of the results. When you do that, enter in the 16-digit CIBC Costco Mastercard number and delete all Capital One Pay unless you have an existing Capital One credit card. Then you can also contact or visit your financial institutions if you're having any technical challenges. Apart from it, if the procedure goes on smoothly, then you've successfully paid CIBC Costco Mastercard bill. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.